vegetables? No way! I want chips! Tommy, veggies make you strong. No, they are boring.
Yes, no veggies, only junk food.
Wow, who are you?
I am Junkie, king of junk food. Stop right there, Junkie!
Wow, who are you?
I am Captain Green, protector of healthy kids.
Kids don't like veggies.
Let's see about that.
This is broccoli. It makes you strong.
Carrots help you see better. Spinach gives energy.
Really?
Yes! Veggies are superpowers.
Take this! Crunchy attack! Veggie shield!
My turn! Carrot beam!
Oh no! Healthy attack!
I don't know what to choose.
Choose junk food. It's tasty. Choose health. It's powerful.
Wow, I feel strong!
Veggie Power Blast! Healthy combo attack!
I feel healthy!
Wait, I feel better. Veggies are yummy and powerful.
Eat healthy, stay strong.
Eat green, grow strong, healthy bodies all day long. Crunch a carrot, munch some peas, jump up high with so much ease.
Kids, eat your vegetables every day.
And become a health hero. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories.